First, decide on the size for your design. If you are a beginner, a smaller size block will be easier to print. Measure, then use a straight edge and cut with an X-Acto, a knife, or a box cutter. Make sure you ask before you use a good kitchen knife. Use a piece of vellum from the box to trace the edges of your newly cut block. Now use a soft pencil to draw your design. Bold designs work best with block printing. Fine lines don't tend to show up as well. Make sure you bear down hard enough with a pencil. Now flip the design over onto the block and burnish the back using your fingers or the back of a spoon. Rub down hard to transfer the drawing to your block.
Hold it up to the camera.
Now you're ready to cut. The nibs that you'll need for carving are stored inside the carver handle. To attach a nib, loosen the metal tip of the handle. Then slot the writing stamped end of the nib in between the outer circle and the inner ball of the carver tip. Then screw the tip down tight. For more detailed information, please see the written instruction sheet. Before you begin carving your design, practice with the different nibs to get a feel for the kinds of marks they make. To carve, keep the angle of the nib more parallel to your block and carve in a forward motion. You do not want to gouge downward.
So you could say you don't have to carve that deeply, and these lines can be part of, and then you can go along the edge here.
When you are holding the block steady for carving, be aware of where your fingers are and always carve away from your hand. To show the difference between using positive and negative space in a design, Jane is carving the word yes both ways.
And one thing I might do here is do a little border.
When you're done carving, use an old paintbrush or toothbrush to clean all the little crumbly bits off your block so they won't interfere with getting a clean print.